Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a compact yet incredibly powerful desktop computer, you've come to the right place. Mini PCs have become more capable than ever, offering desktop-class performance in a space-saving design that's perfect for home, office, content creation, gaming, and even AI workloads. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best mini PCs on Amazon in 2026. Whether you need an affordable workstation, a powerful gaming mini PC, or a high-end AI desktop, we've selected the best options for every budget and every type of user. Check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Now, let's get started. Number 1. NIMO Mini PC Desktop AMD Ryzen AI Max Plus 395. Taking the number 1 spot is the NIMO Mini PC Desktop, one of the most powerful mini computers available in 2026. Powered by AMD's flagship Ryzen AI Max Plus 395 processor, paired with an incredible 128 GB of LPDDR5 8000 MHz memory and a fast 1 TB SSD, this compact desktop is built to handle demanding AI computing, professional content creation, and high-end gaming with ease. Integrated Radeon 860S graphics deliver impressive visual performance without requiring a dedicated graphics card, while USB 4 connectivity, multiple high-resolution display outputs, and support for 4K monitors make it an incredibly versatile workstation. Despite its compact footprint, the NIMO provides desktop-class performance capable of handling video editing, software development, machine learning, virtualization, and modern gaming workloads. Pros: flagship AMD Ryzen AI Max Plus 395 processor, massive 128 GB of LPDDR5 8000 MHz RAM, fast 1 TB SSD, powerful Radeon 860S graphics, USB 4 connectivity, excellent for AI, gaming, and creative work. Cons: premium price. Memory is not user upgradable. Overall, if you want the most powerful mini PC available on Amazon in 2026, the NIMO is our top recommendation. Number 2. Reatan A8. Coming in at number 2 is the Reatan A8, an excellent balance of performance, expandability, and value. Powered by AMD Ryzen 7 8745HS processor with Radeon 780M integrated graphics, this mini PC easily handles productivity, content creation, light gaming, and multitasking. It includes 16 GB of DDR5 memory and a fast 1 TB PCIe 4.0 SSD for responsive everyday performance. One standout feature is OC Link support, allowing users to connect an external graphics card for significantly improved gaming and workstation performance. Combined with USB 4, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, dual 2.5 gigabit Ethernet ports, and support for 4 8K displays, it's one of the most versatile systems in its class. Pros: Ryzen 7 8745HS processor, Radeon 780M graphics, OC Link external GPU support, USB 4 connectivity, quad 8K display support, dual 2.5 gigabit Ethernet. Cons: 16 GB RAM may be limiting for heavy creators. No dedicated graphics card included. For users looking for an excellent all-around mini PC with future upgrade potential, the Reatan A8 is a fantastic choice. Number 3. BOSGAME AI9. At third place is the BOSGAME AI9, a powerhouse designed specifically for AI development, professional workloads, and advanced multitasking. It features the AMD HX470 processor with up to 12 cores and 24 threads, paired with Radeon 890M graphics, capable of handling demanding creative software and modern games. AI performance reaches an impressive 86 TOPS, making it suitable for machine learning and AI-assisted workflows. The system includes 32 gigabytes of DDR5 memory, a 1 terabyte PCIe Gen 4 SSD, support for up to 256 gigabytes of RAM, 3 M.2 SSD slots supporting up to 8 terabytes of storage, USB 4, OC Link, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, dual 2.5 gigabit Ethernet ports, and support for 4 8K displays. Pros: powerful 12-core AMD processor, Radeon 890M graphics, excellent AI performance, expandable memory up to 256 gigabytes, triple M.2 SSD support, USB 4 and OC Link. Cons: higher price than mainstream mini PCs. AI features exceed most casual users' needs. If you need serious computing power for AI, programming, or professional workloads, the BOSGAME AI9 is one of the best mini PCs available. Number 4. BOSGAME P3 Lite. Taking fourth place is the BOSGAME P3 Lite, a dependable mini PC built for productivity, office work, and home users. Powered by the Ryzen 7 68HS processor, combined with 32 gigabytes of DDR5 memory and a 1 terabyte NVMe SSD, it offers fast performance for multitasking, business applications, media editing, and everyday computing. Dual 2.5 gigabit Ethernet ports, USB 4, and support for 3 4K displays make it an excellent choice for professionals who need multiple monitors without spending premium workstation prices. Pros: Ryzen 7 68HS processor, 32 gigabytes DDR5 memory, fast 1 terabyte NVMe SSD, USB 4 support, triple 4K display output, dual 2.5 gigabit Ethernet. Cons: older processor generation, integrated graphics are less powerful than newer models. For office users and professionals seeking excellent performance at a reasonable price, the BOSGAME P3 Lite is a fantastic value. Number 5. ACEMAGIC M5. Rounding out our list is the ACEMAGIC M5, an Intel-powered mini PC offering strong multitasking and productivity performance. Equipped with the Intel Core i7-14650HX processor featuring 16 cores and 24 threads, along with 16 gigabytes of memory and a fast 1 terabyte PCIe 4.0 SSD, this compact desktop easily handles office work, coding, media editing, and moderate gaming. It comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro and supports triple 4K displays, making it a great option for business professionals and home office users. Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 ensure fast wireless connectivity, while its compact design fits almost anywhere. Pros: Intel Core i7-14650HX processor, 16-core 24-thread performance, fast PCIe 4.0 SSD, Windows 11 Pro included, triple 4K display support, compact and quiet. Cons: DDR4 memory instead of DDR5. Integrated graphics limit demanding gaming. If you prefer Intel processors and want a reliable mini PC for work and everyday productivity, the ACEMAGIC M5 is an excellent option. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best mini PCs on Amazon in 2026. If you're looking for the best overall performance, the NIMO Mini PC desktop stands out with its cutting-edge Ryzen AI processor, massive 128 gigabytes of memory, and exceptional graphics performance for AI computing, gaming, and professional workloads. For users seeking the best balance of performance and value, the Reatan A8 offers excellent expandability with OC Link support and powerful Ryzen 7 performance. And if your focus is AI development or advanced multitasking, the BOSGAME AI9 is one of the most capable compact desktops available. No matter which mini PC you choose, each model on today's list delivers impressive performance while saving valuable desk space compared to a traditional desktop tower. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you find the perfect mini PC, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech reviews and buying guides.
Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.